Hello friends, my name is Sagar Deshmukh and this is my story of entrepreneurship. So after working in corporate for almost 7 years, I started my own business in 2017 and I am into 3D printing business and we are into premium gifting solutions. So this is a typical startup story. So every corporate employee, and especially when he is in sales, he thinks that he can run a business. So with the same mindset I started my business and it was the same startup failure story initially. So for 6 months, I lost all my savings and there was not a single client, and then the hustle started. So the business was running into loss, the clients were not coming and I was in a depression. But then slowly I started getting up from this, and then one fine day I met Dilip Auti sir through one of my friend, Yash Nagarkar. And very thanks to Yash that day I met Dilip sir. And I started attending his seminars, and in one of the seminars I got to know that how business should be running, and then what are the systems, what are the processes that one has to follow, how one can delegate, how one can make people accountable, how somebody should act on the finances and all that. Slowly we started attending more sessions of Dilip sir and Komal ma'am. So Komal ma'am is basically NLP coach and she handles all the finances and she takes seminars on financial management. So that helped me very much, because in a typical startup what happens is you come from a corporate background and then you are not able to handle your own finances, and that is where the whole story starts getting lost. So then when I started working with Dilip sir in his mentoring program, so I started to getting know about sales, marketing, operations, R&D, HR, management, all these functions. And we always think that we are a superhero and we can do everything by ourselves, but that is not the case, friends. It is, you always need someone to tell you that you are not supposed to do everything. You should do something which you are good at. So you should focus on your core competencies. My core competency is R&D. My core competency is product design. So I should be focusing on that. And I was doing everything else than product development. And that is where I was making a big mistake. So I can always say that I was the bottleneck of my own business, and my business was suffering because of me. So that was the first thing which I learned from Dilip sir, is first I took myself out from my business and I started looking from the third point. That is where I got to know that how I should be running my business. Yeah. So I delegated sales. After attending the sales HTC, which is a high ticket closing, I immediately onboarded a sales director. I gave him team of salespeople and the sales is taken care. Then I outsourced my marketing department to one fellow, and he is doing wonders in social media marketing. I am really bad at that. And then HR, operations, everything was delegated to the right people. And thankfully now I have enough time to focus on product development. So that was about all these functions. Main part, as I spoke already, is about financial management. Because of Komal ma'am, she taught us lot of small things in financial management, like how to count money, or what you should be saying about money when you are giving money to someone or you are accepting money from someone. And she also told us about 6-jar technique, so which is a financial management techniques. And then that helped me a lot, because of that now I am able to handle my cash flow in my business. And so because of these two people, I could now transform my business, which was a loss-making business. Now I do around 2 crores of business annually. And after that, I also ventured into some more businesses. Now we are reaching to across India, and we are exporting our products also to USA, Europe and Australia. So that is my entrepreneurial journey. And this was all possible because of Dilip sir and Komal ma'am's mentoring program. And I request everyone to please enroll yourself for this kind of program. Thank you very much.